Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Do you people recollect all of this?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Just to remind you people, if I give a velocity greater than under root 5 GL, velocity at the topmost point will be greater than under root 2 GL, tension there will be greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
You give under root 5 GL velocity here, topmost point velocity is under root GL, and the tension there will become 0. Tension in whole of the system will be minimum when the bob is at the topmost point.
Yes,
Tension in whole of the system will be minimum when the bob is in the topmost point.
yes,
If I give a velocity greater than under root 2 GL, it will cross this point.
Yeah.
But less than under root 5 GL, the bob will not reach the topmost point. From here, it will go in the form of a parabola.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Under root 2 GL velocity you give at this point, both tension and velocity simultaneously will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Less than under root 2 GL, bob will come till here. It will not cross this point. Velocity becomes 0 before tension. It will be oscillating in the third and the fourth quadrant.
Yes, sir.
This is what we did in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
I gave you people a problem for homework.
Yes, sir.
Have
सर
you
नहीं हुआ
done
सर.
हो गया सर.
सर ट्राई किया सर पर नहीं हुआ.
Okay. The question given was, what should be the velocity given at the lowermost point so that it will pass through the point of suspension? This was your question.
Yes, sir.
The velocity to be given at the lowermost point so that it will pass through that particular point. Will this angle be theta?
Yes, sir.
So your first dynamic equation is mg cos theta is mv square by L. क्यों भाई साहब? What did you do to tension? Tension became 0. Only then it will go in
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So B square is equal to GL.
GL cos theta. Yes.
Second, conserve the total mechanical energy here and here. Half mu square is equal to
Half mv square plus mg.
Plus MGL into 1.
MGL
Plus
L cos theta.
MGL plus alpha.
this will be, this is theta, this is theta. MGL plus MGL cos theta. So far, so good. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can cancel out m all throughout.
Yes.
2 square is b square plus 2gl plus 2gl cos theta. This is my second equation. You need to know v and theta. If you know v and theta, it will go in this particular form.
Yes.
Now see the beauty in it. From here it is a projectile motion such that by the time it covers a horizontal distance equal to this, it will cover a vertical distance equal to this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By the time it covers a horizontal distance equal to this, what is this horizontal distance?
L.
L sin theta.
L
Yes,
sin
sir.
L.
L sin theta is v cos theta into t.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Horizontal direction, there is no acceleration. it covers a vertical displacement of this. That will be minus L cos theta is equal to, this will be V sin theta,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
V sin theta into T minus half GT square.
Yes, sir.
L cos theta, why did you take negative? From here it's in the downward direction. G, why did you take negative? It's in the downward direction. Calculate T from here and substitute here. Minus L cos theta is equal to V sin theta into T is L sin theta by V cos theta minus half GT square L sin theta by V cos theta whole square.
Yes.
Mhm.
This is the condition for this projectile to pass through this point. By the time it covered
Yes.
the horizontal displacement of L sin theta, it covered a vertical displacement of L cos theta.
Yes.
Now from here, V square get either V in terms of theta or theta in terms of V. I have two variables, V and theta. I have two variables in this equation, V and theta. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Cancel out V here. Leave this separate. Minus L cos theta. Cancelling out V. Minus L cos theta is equal to L sin square theta by cos theta. I'll bring cos theta to the left. Is that okay with all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This becomes cos square theta.
का वीडियो बंद हुआ ना
Okay.
Right? Now I got cos theta to the numerator here. This will be L sin square theta minus of L square sin square theta. I have G in the numerator, 2 in the denominator, V square cos theta. This is what I'm left with. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V squared cos squared theta, right?
थीटा उधर
नहीं,
लिखेगा
Cos
नहीं।
theta we took.
Cos theta, I brought it to the left.
Ah, okay.
That means this will be only cos theta. Why cos square?
Sir, cos square because there was
पहले भी
already
तो
a
एक
cos
minus
left.
theta
Yes,
was
sir.
Square theta. Perfect. Till here, is the simplification clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear.
Cancel out 1L. Minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta minus GL sin square theta by 2A square cos theta. You obviously know why we have written that way.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Now you simplify from this, you will get tan theta is equal to root 2, if I'm right.
yes sir we get that
Now from there, you know what next need to be done. You are asking me you tan theta say, once you get cos theta, substitute here and eliminate V, you will get.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. One second. Now, technically, from these two equations, what you'll do is u square is equal to v square is gl cos theta. So 2gl plus 3gl cos theta. I substituted this v square here. right? Now
Yes.
from tan theta, you substitute cos theta here. Will I get you?
Yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, we can also do something like we can assume the point from which it starts, the trajectory to be origin, and फिर वो equation of trajectory use कर सकते हैं because it is passing through.
Typically, equation of the trajectory only. I wrote it so that you will be reminded of the basic
Yes, sir.
concept.
This is the derivation of that equation of
हाँ, sir.
trajectory.
Exactly. I wanted to remind you people of all of that, so I did it. If not directly take the equation of trajectory,
Yes.
we will be starting from here.
Yes, sir.
Simplification.
Sir, and we take the equation of trajectory from the point where tension becomes zero, right? On the top, on that.
From here, this is the point from where the projectile starts.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Which one?
Done, sir.
Sir, please.
Sir, is the final answer root 13 GL by 5?
I don't think so.
1 second, let me see. I think I have this answer.
Yes. Sir.
U will be GL into 2 plus 3. whole power.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I got that.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now listen, whole of the scope of the problem changes if it is a thin rod. I'll take a thin and light rod temporarily. Thin and light rod. What is the minimum velocity you give so that it completes the circle?
Root 5 GL.
Root 5G.
Minimum for it to complete a circle will be root over of 4GL. Thin rod में tension will never become zero. Will it slacken ever?
Yes, sir.
Will a thin rod ever slacken?
No, no.
No. If it reaches the topmost point, that surplus for me, it will complete a circle. Thin rod or string ka, this is the difference. For a thin rod, it will never slacken. You give a velocity of u here, it will by default complete a circle if it reaches the topmost point. Here, tension becoming zero does not exist at the first place. It should reach the topmost point. Velocity should become zero there. So half mu square should be sufficient for it to rise to a height of mg into 12. U will be under root 4gl. If it rises to this, by default, it will complete a circle. If u is greater than under root 4gl, it will complete a circle. If it is a thin rod with a bob of mass m, make a note of it. Incidentally, I took a light rod. If the rod has mass, you know what is to be done. The mass will appear to be at its center of mass.
Yes, sir.
Total energy you give should be sufficient for it to rise to this particular level. Till I come to rotational dynamics, I will not give mass to the rod. Rotational dynamics means I will give mass to the rod as well.
Yes.
Yes. So, wait a minute.
So, but at the topmost point, so if we write like tension plus mg is equal to mv square by r, so the velocity will be zero. So like that, the tension would be negative.
Normal force. mg and normal force will be equal and opposite. I keep a bob here. I keep a bob here. I keep a bob here. On the bob, mg is acting downwards, normal force is acting.
Upwards.
This is a hemisphere. Before I go into that, suppose I have a smooth curve like this. There is a bob of mass and smooth curve of radius r. The so-called roller coaster. What should be the height from which you should release this body so that it completes the circle? Height from which you release this body. This height should be surplus such that the kinetic energy half mu square should be equal to mgh. What should be the velocity here so that it completes the circle?
Root 5g.
Root 5
Root 5.
5gr. Root over of 5gr, u square, so 5gr is equal to mgh. H is equal to 5r by 2. So the height from which you should release this particle so that it completes the circle. If I release from this particular height, velocity here is under root 5gr. Normal force is just equal to 0. All throughout here, normal force is not 0, but it will have a velocity of under root gr here. It will complete a circle. Quick.
सर अगर वेलोसिटी यहाँ पर मतलब रोलर कोस्टर में सपोज लोग बैठे हैं वेलोसिटी अंडर रूट 5gr से ज्यादा रखा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
ओके सर.
Only problem is while they are coming down,
यस सर.
the velocity will be greater. For them to accept so much change in velocity also is not easy.
यस सर.
They are safe if velocity here is greater than under root 2gr. But will they be able to withstand?
Sir, two more. Yes.
This is a smooth hemisphere which is fixed. Small m is released from here. Released means velocity is z. Find the value of theta at which small m loses contact with the hemisphere. Find theta for which small m loses contact with hemisphere. Let me solve this. It's quite easy. This will be
Yes.
the normal force.
Yes.
This will be mg. All throughout this subtopic, there are only two equations. One, vector summation of all the forces towards the center will be mv square by r.
MV square by
Yes,
yes.
yes,
sir.
sir.
Second, total mechanical energy is conserved.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second, total mechanical energy is conserved. Now this will be mg cos theta.
Cos theta.
So first equation is mg cos theta minus n should be mv square by r. Do you agree with the
N
first
will be
equation?
0. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are finding out theta at which the body loses contact. So normal
N
force
0.
should be
N0.
root over of gr cos
GR
theta.
cos
That
theta.
will be the
Yes.
velocity here. Now, loss in potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy. How much potential energy did you lose? mg L into 1 minus cos theta.
1 minus cos
R
theta.
into 1 minus cos theta here. This will be r cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
mg r into 1 minus cos theta should be equal to half
Half
m v
m.
square minus half m u square. You gave me as 0.
0, yes.
Yes, sir.
Substituting this v here after cancelling out m, gr into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2gr into 1 minus cos theta is gr cos theta. Am I good with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2gr, so cos theta will turn out to be
2 by 3.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
That is the angle to which it will slip before losing contact with the hemisphere, provided initial velocity is
0.
0. Provided initial velocity is 0. You are expected to remember this result. This is the standard result.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so we need to remember that there is an angle, right?
Yeah, cos theta equal to 2 by 3 is a standard result. You will have to remember this.
Yes, sir.
Hemisphere, smooth hemisphere. What should be the velocity I give to the mass so that it doesn't slide on the hemisphere? Find u for which small m doesn't slide on hemisphere.
Sir, frictionless.
Smooth. 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 Hemisphere is fixed. What should be the velocity given so that small m does not slide on the hemisphere?
मतलब सर as soon as force लगाए contact छूट जाएगा.
Contact shoot.
Perfect. Perfect. As soon as you give a velocity, it loses contact. So normal force becomes 0 at the topmost point itself. mg in the downward direction, normal force in the upward direction should be mu square by r. Normal force should become 0. That means the velocity I should give at the topmost point is under root gr.
Yeah.
Yes, root
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, done.
This is a hollow pipe. Hollow
Pipe.
Pipe.
a body which just fits into. A body which just fits into. This thickness is d. This radius is r. Diameter of the body is d. Diameter of the body is d. You are giving an initial velocity of 0 here. Call the inner surface as A and outer surface as B. तो ध्यान से सुनिए, problem is a bit difficult and I'll give you 5-10 minutes to solve. The bob starts sliding inside the tube. Bob starts sliding inside the tube. Right? Theta is the angle which
Yes,
it
sir.
makes from its initial position. Theta is this angle which it makes. Normal force exerted by the inner tube versus cos theta. Cos theta and B. These are the two graphs that we need. What graphs do we need? Normal force exerted on the inner surface. Inner tube is A, outer surface is B. Inner surface of the tube is A, outer surface of the tube is B. This normal force is our requirement. Normal force exerted by the inner surface, normal force exerted by the outer surface. X-axis per what are you taking? Cos theta.
Cos theta.
Theta is the angle which it makes with the vertical.
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
Will you or shall I?
Sir,
We will.
Sir,
So we have to
HCV has
find
asked a
magnitude of
smaller
any
version.
One at a time.
So we have to find magnitude of NA and NB.
ग्राफ पे डायरेक्शन कैसा आएगा?
ग्राफ का डायरेक्शन
क्या नेचर पूछ रहे हैं?
ग्राफ का नेचर पूछ रहे हो, मतलब आंसर पूछ रहे हो बड़ा चालाकी से.
नहीं सर, आई वाज सेइंग कि देखो छोड़ो.
इट्स ए 10 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. तो आराम से सोच समझ के सॉल्व. Radius of the circular track is r plus b by 2. You will take the center of this. Radius will be how much? Radius is r plus b by 2. Remember that. You will take the center of that particular bob.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Question is on the board. Everything that you need is there on the board. Tell me which part is a double. I want the graphs for those two. The bob is released from the topmost point. Na is the normal force on the inner part of the tube. Nb is the normal force on the outer part of the tube. Dynamic equation, conservation of energy.
So can you repeat what we have to find here?
The graph of Na and cos theta. Na is the normal force on the inner surface of the tube. First write the dynamic equation. As initially the particle is only touching the inner surface of the tube A. Do you agree
Yes,
with
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
So how will you write the dynamic equation?
And
Mg cos theta minus Na will be mv square by r.
Yes.
Yes.
Have a look at it. Initially the particle is only touching the inner. It is slipping on the inner surface. When do you think it will leave the inner surface?
Sir, cos theta 2.
At cos theta equal to 2 by 3. I already have the information.
yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir.
Should I
Yes,
wait?
sir.
Yes, sir. We are doing.
Sir, हो गया.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Okay,
During
I'll
the
wait.
diagram, it appeared that it will be in contact with both the tubes.
Pardon? Second equation will be conservation of energy. Listen. This will be mg cos theta and the normal force is NA. Inner surface per normal force. First equation is mg cos
theta minus n is equal to mg square upon r.
mg square by
R plus D by
r
2.
plus d by 2.
Yes, sir.
R plus d by 2. You should take from the center.
Yes.
Right? This is my first equation. Vector sum of all the forces towards the center will be equal to mv square by r. Next is conservation of energy. Loss in potential energy. mg r plus d by 2 into 1 minus cos theta. mg r into 1 minus cos theta is the loss in potential energy, which should be equal to half mv square. Say something.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
radius. This is
Yes, sir,
radius.
yes.
Loss in
Minus radius cos theta will be equal to half mv square.
Yes,
I
sir.
have to
Yes, sir.
eliminate v.
Yes.
mv square I have to substitute here. This mv square, when I substitute here, I am bringing 2 here.
R plus D
mv
by 2
cos
will be
theta minus na is equal to this mv square. I substitute from here 2 times mg into r plus d by 2 into 1 minus cos theta divided by r plus
R
d
plus D
by 2.
by 2.
Is my simplification correct?
Yes, sir.
I am calculating Na. How do I calculate Na? This will be 2mg minus 2mg cos theta. Bring it to the left. 3mg cos theta
minus 2.
minus 2mg. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got Na to the right.
Is that the second equation?
mg cos theta. 1 second. I got Na to the right. 2mg I took it to the left. It became minus.
हाँ सर सही है.
Minus 2mg.
Yes,
Say,
sir. Yes.
can I see this? Have a look. You want cos theta on the x-axis.
Theta is 0 for
Y equal to mx plus c.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got the slope 3 mg.
Now, where from will the graph start?
From the y-intercept.
Sir,
And
from
y
x-axis
intercept
to
is how
y.
much?
Sir, negative 2
When
mg.
we will put sir, when we will put x is equals to 0, we'll get the y-intercept, right?
अरे लिखा हुआ है ना minus 2 mg.
Minus 2.
This will be minus 2mg. I showed a dotted line there because here this will be cos theta equal to 2 by 3.
2 by
When will
3.
Na become
Yes.
0? When will Na become 0? Cos theta is 2 by
Cos
3.
theta 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till cos theta. Interestingly enough, as theta increases here, cos theta decreases. Remember, as theta increases, cos theta decreases. Isn't it? As theta increases, cos theta decreases. At cos theta equal to 2 by 3, Na becomes 0. Theta is increasing, cos theta is decreasing. That means you are moving from here to here. Technically, the graph is moving this way. If you are
Yes, sir.
starting from when theta is 0, How much is cos 0?
1.
Put cos 0 is equal to 1.
mg.
P minus 2mg is mg. Na will be equal to mg. Actually, Na will be equal to mg. When you keep a body on the tube,
Yes, sir. Normal
initial
reaction.
velocity is 0. Na is equal to mg at the
Yes.
topmost point. So
Yes.
this is the initial part of the graph. When the body is here, the graph is here. As the body is moving, the graph is coming down. Once it loses contact with the inner surface, thereafter normal force does not make sense. This is dotted line and not a straight line. I will not draw a straight line here. It's a dotted line. Because normal force don't exist below that. Is this point clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
After cos theta equal to 2 by 3, now the bob will touch the outer surface. It will leave the inner surface.
Their cos theta
It
is
will touch the outer surface. Your dynamic equation will partly change. Now mg cos theta plus nb.
Yes.
Are you able to
Yes,
visualize
sir.
that?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
First to complete this, I'll deal with nb cos theta.
But why till cos
both
theta
are in
equal
the
to
same
2
line.
by 3 NB is equal to 0?
Yes, so it should happen at 0, right? Cos
See
theta.
the previous problem. Where will it lose contact with the inner surface? It will touch the outer surface.
yes.
It's on a hemisphere this way. It's sliding this way. When it loses contact with the hemisphere, it will move outwards, right?
Yes, sir.
The previous problem that we did, where will it lose contact? We said cos theta equal to 2 by 3. Here, it will start moving towards the outer surface.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the outer surface is very close to it. So till now it was pressing the inner surface. Now it will press the
Outer
surface.
outer surface.
So, but before theta is 90, a component of G will be pushing towards norm A also, right?
You have taken mg cos theta minus Na is mg squared by r. You didn't ignore mg.
So,
And even after cos theta is equal to 2 by 3, I will take mg cos theta in my next equation as well.
so also where did you get the second equation from?
Conservation of energy, loss in potential energy is gain in kinetic energy.
Okay.
Whole of this subtopic, there are only two equations. Vector summation of all forces provides the required centripetal force. Second is conservation of total mechanical energy.
Yes.
सर ग्राफ का स्टार्ट राइटमोस्ट पॉइंट राइटमोस्ट पॉइंट से हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
ओके
When
सर.
theta is 0, cos theta is 1. When
Yes,
theta
sir.
is 0, cos theta is 1. From here the graph is starting. Cos theta
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 2 by 3, Na becomes 0. Something that we already knew.
Sir, I have plotted the graph Na versus theta. So
That
मुझे
will be
सारे
very
yes
different.
sir. यस सर, वो मतलब उसमें नीचे वाला पार्ट मतलब उसका स्टार्ट पॉइंट mg रहेगा और वो एंड 2/3 पे हो जाएगा.
Right.
So in the second case, mg cos theta will complement nb, right? They both will be in the same direction.
Right. Both will together provide the centripetal force.
Okay.
Clear at the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you explain the energy conservation equation?
Loss in potential energy
Okay, sir. Loss in potential.
is gaining kinetic energy. This is
Yes.
radius.
Yes, sir.
R minus R cos theta is the loss in potential.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now when it touches the outer tube, once it crosses cos theta equal to 2 by 3. For the diagram to be clear, I am making this wide. Technically, in the diagram, they gave you diameter of the body and the tube to be the same. I intentionally made it wide for the diagram to be clear.
Yes.
This will be mg. This will be nb. This is b, this is a. This is theta. So what will your equation be? Mg cos theta
Plus
plus
NB.
nb
Plus
is
NB.
equal to
MB
mb
square.
square by
NB
r
square by
plus
R
R
plus
plus
D.
D.
R plus D.
Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
So here it
The outer surface is pressing the body inwards.
Yes, sir.
First equation. Second equation, loss in potential energy. Mg r plus d by 2 into 1 minus cos theta is equal to half mv square. Should not be
Yes.
difficult with the same logic.
Yes, sir.
Now, mv square as it is, I will substitute here. Mg cos theta plus mv is equal to 2 times mg into r plus d by 2 into 1 minus cos theta divided by r plus d by 2. mv square is 2 times this. Cancel this out. My requirement is nb. nb. I will write nb here.
mg minus mg cos theta.
2 mg no
2 mg.
2 mg minus 3 mg.
सर
सर
दूसरे साइड पे
mg cos
आके
theta से
वो
भी एक
एक
आएगा ना, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से mg cos theta.
कैंसिल हो जाएगा सर एक
2 mg तो
2 mg
रहेगा
minus mg
cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Yes
क्या
sir,
करने
2
से
2
लिखा
mg
जाएगा?
minus
2
mg cos
2
2
theta.
mg
हाँ सर
रहेगा. 2 mg. I will have this
2
to the right.
2 mg
Minus
3 mg cos.
mg cos.
cos theta.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you will write this as minus 3 mg cos theta plus 2 mg is equal to mg. Why are you doing it? Y is equal to mx plus c. X-axis is cos theta for me.
Yes, sir.
So very technically, the graph has negative slope.
Yes, sir. Minus 3 mg.
NB starts at cos theta equal to 2 by 3. Intercept on the y-axis is
Positive
2 mg.
intercept.
When it comes to the lowermost point, what will theta be equal to? 180?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How much is cos 180?
Minus.
Minus
Minus 1.
Minus
Minus.
Put cos theta is minus 1. This will become 5 mg,
5
right?
mg.
So at the
Yes, sir.
lowermost point, NB will be 5 mg. This will be 2 mg. Slope will be negative, that is minus 3 mg.
So at cos theta equal to 2/3, both NA and NB are 0. So like, what does that mean?
It just leaves contact with the inner tube. It is just coming in contact with the outer tube. So it's in the transition. It's in the
Sir,
transition.
here the
from
graph is
Sir, could you repeat that -1 part again? When theta is 180.
Theta is 180. Bob is at the lowermost point. So cos 180 will be how much? -1.
Minus,
Minus
yes.
or minus is plus. It becomes 5 mg.
Okay, sir.
Sir, also will it ever come in contact with A again?
If it completes the circuit. If it completes here, now the symmetry conservation of energy, it will leave contact and again come back till here. If there is no dissipative forces, no friction, it will come back to the point A, right?
So why is it 5 mg? Shouldn't it be mg?
You will
Substitute
repeat
for
10
-1, yeah.
times.
-1.
180 value 10 times you will repeat. Come on, make it fast.
So -1.
What
-1.
-1? Cos 0 or cos 90?
Sorry, sir.
What -1? Cos 0 or cos 90?
Cos 180.
Cos 180. Tell the complete statement.
Cos 180 is -1. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 180 is -1. Cos 180 is -1.
When you substitute -1 here, minus or minus will become?
Plus. So I was saying because if it's down, then only the weight is acting down, right? So that's why I thought like the weight of the ball is acting on the socket
Fine.
because of.
Do you people know the integration of secant theta d theta?
No sir.
हाँ
वो
सर
ऐसा
बताया
find करना पड़ता है.
आपने एक बार बताया था सर।
बताया था सर आपने एक बार।
Yes.
In problem में we will need that and keep that. Now listen. Think carefully and solve this problem. This is R. This width D. D is much smaller than R. See, the bob's
can
diameter is smaller than D, but D is much smaller than R. So effectively radius you can take it as capital.
R. Yes.
Yes.
Great. Now,
Yes, sir. Great.
velocity given here is root over of 2gr. This has specific significance. The value given, ध्यान से देखिए, what is the value given, why that value is given to be analyzed. Then you can solve the problem. Find the angle theta for which vertical acceleration is maximum. As the bob moves down, find theta for which vertical acceleration is maximum. M is the mass of the bob. This velocity has certain significance. ध्यान से देखिए. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll keep all of you on mute. 90 degrees is wrong. Shall I?
1 minute.
No, sir.
So please wait.
Two students typed the correct answer. Tanish and one more student, it went up. Ananya. Both of you got the correct answer. Rana, Aryavir, yes. Some students came very close. They are getting cos theta is equal to 4 by 3. You are committing a small
Yes, sir.
simplification mistake somewhere. It is cos theta equal to 2 by 3.
Oh, okay.
Now, what is the question asked here? Theta for which vertical acceleration is maximum. Vertically downwards.
Yes.
Upwards तो होगा नहीं. या
नहीं
किसी
होगा.
को doubt है upwards का?
नहीं sir.
नहीं सर, नहीं सर.
Now, the bob will, I use blue coloring. The bob will touch this. इतना confidently कैसा बता रहे हो यार? Bob will be touching the outer surface. ऊपर जो velocity दिया हुआ है उस पर ध्यान दो.
लगाते ही सर कांटेक्ट निकल जाएगा.
The moment you give a velocity of under root gr, it will leave contact with the inner surface. You have given under root 2 gr. So the initial velocity मायने रखती है इस problem पे. It has a lot of importance. So it's touching the outer surface. So this will be mg cos theta plus n. Outer surface को touch कर रहा है. First dynamic equation mg cos theta plus n is equal to mv square by r. Second equation is conservation of energy. R m u square initial energy 2gr plus mgr into 1 minus cos theta is equal to half mv square. The velocity here is taken as v. Total mechanical energy initial is equal to total mechanical energy final. From these two equations, you will calculate first n. Why will I calculate n? Because my vertical acceleration is, this angle is theta. N cos theta plus mg is my vertical force.
Yes.
Calculate n from here and substitute here. Differentiate the Fv with respect to theta and equate it to 0. First of all, how am I going to calculate n? I'll eliminate
mv equal to.
Pardon?
No, sir. By equating mv square is equal to 2 into half mv.
Simplification. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Multiply by 2 mgr plus 2 mgr minus 2 mgr cos theta is equal to mv square. Multiplied all throughout by 2.
Yes, sir.
So this will become technically 4 and I can remove this. Hope I'm right. This mv square I substitute here. N is equal to 4 mgr minus 2 mgr cos theta by r, right? By r. So remove this minus mg cos theta. Is my calculation correct?
Yes, sir.
I am getting n is equal to 4 minus 3, 4 mg minus 3 mg cos theta. Is my calculation correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what is Fv equal to? Fv equal to n cos theta. So 4 mg cos theta minus 3 mg cos square theta plus mg. This is the vertical force. Differentiation of the vertical force with respect to theta equating it to 0, I will get the maximum angle at which vertical force is maximum.
Yes.
When I differentiate this, you'll be able to do that?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Yes.
I'm waiting.
Sir, what is
Differentiate this
FV?
vertical force. Question में दिया हुआ है find the maximum vertical acceleration. Mass is constant, so maximum vertical force calculate करने से you'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes.
sir.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir,
Hello.
I didn't understand this first step. Why it loses contact at this point.
Turn the page of your notes. What should be the minimum velocity I give at the topmost point so that it doesn't slip on the hemisphere? वो भाई साहब लास्ट क्लास का नोट्स नहीं है, आज का नोट्स।
अरे सर बाय हार्ट कर रहा है लगता
आपका
है।
लास्ट क्लास खोल के बैठा होगा इसमें।
सर चेक कर रहा हूँ। हाँ सर, U is equal to root GR।
यहाँ कितना दिया मैंने?
root 2 GR।
So it will lose contact?
ओके सर।
हाँ, उसी का मल्टीपल।
जिस दिन मैं डिसाइड करके आता हूँ कि आज किसी पर नहीं चिल्लाऊंगा, उस दिन सबसे घटिया डाउट्स पूछते हो आप लोग। आज दशहरे का दिन है, आज किसी पर नहीं चिल्लाना है। दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ आता हूँ, यू ब्रेक माई विल पावर।
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
सर डाउट
बोलो।
सर इधर वो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कुछ भी दे सर, वो तो सेकंड मतलब आउटर सरफेस के कांटेक्ट में आने ही वाला है ना वैसे भी।
Somewhere down the lane. Now here I don't need to worry whether cos theta is greater than 2/3 or less than 2/3.
हाँ,
If
yes,
I
sir.
have given zero velocity, तो यहाँ हमें cos theta 2/3 आ रहा है, वहां पर maximum vertical acceleration नहीं आएगी।
Yes, sir. Okay.
It will just leave contact with the inner surface and come in contact with the outer surface. So then the value will be different. एक और पार्ट पर आएगा maximum vertical acceleration. These problems inside a tube are not from Iridov. There is a textbook called Morin.
Sir, what?
Can you repeat the name?
Yes.
सर ये इरोडोव से भी टफ है।
This is published from Harvard University. It has got its own strength and weakness. It's not these problems. See, the first problem we solved at what should be the velocity so that it doesn't slide on the hemisphere is from Iridov.
Yes.
Now, Morin went multiple steps ahead in this horizontal tubes. These problems are from Morin actually.
So do you recommend us keeping it at home to solve? Or
Morin almost much of what is required will exploit it in the classics. Morin ka much of what we exploit from this book will be in the class. So you don't need to worry about it. Getting these editions will not be easy. All these foreign editions will be a bit costly. So don't waste your money.
सर हमारे बहुत contacts हैं.
Yes sir, आपको भी pay करना है.
Save some money so that 5 years down the lane.
Yes.
सर आपने क्यों खरीदे लेकिन ये बुक?
क्या?
पढ़ाने के लिए सही है.
पढ़ाने के लिए और क्यों?
और किसी लिए सही है. ये क्या?
Anyway, सर का रिफंड हो जाएगा 5 years down the lane, तो कितनी भी बुक्स खरीदे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
इन्वेस्टमेंट है सर के लिए तो.
Investment. See, do you know what is the best investment?
Education.
Listen. Mumbai mein all these kids are taught shares, gold, land, house. Best investment is on human brain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The more it grows, the more it will generate. I am investing on the best of the brains. So you don't know how rich I will be 10 years down the lane when each of these brains will be worth billions. I will be richer than all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir,
Yes,
for
sir.
calling
Of
us the
course.
best of the brains.
सर दशहरा की हमें छुट्टी क्यों नहीं मिली?
We are celebrating Dasara by learning something better.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir, good.
Now listen. एक और प्रॉब्लम है यार, थोड़ा सोच समझ के सॉल्व करना. Can I rub the ball?
Sir, एक मिनट.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Somebody is asking whose signature is there on the first book. I have this habit of signing on all my books so that they don't get stolen away. So
Sir,
हर
can
book
you
पर
show it again? आपका sign दिखा नहीं है.
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
Don't show, they will.
Oh.
रेप्लिकेट करने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट ले
My
लिया
wealth is
अभी
not
दीवार
in
पे
the
लगाऊंगा.
banks. It is in each one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes, down the lane.
सर राइट पार्ट मत मिलता उससे.
जो आपके लिए राइट है, मेरे लिए लेफ्ट.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Now, in this sequence, there is one more problem which I want you people to try. But before that, two small things I'll forget because that should have been covered in the previous class itself. Two small things which I forgot to cover in the previous class. Listen, this is a chain or a ring. This is a ring of radius r. Metallic ring or a gold bangle, anything, a metallic ring or a chain. It is made to rotate with an angular velocity of omega. This is the standard procedure. Same thing will follow on to you till we complete magnetism. Same thing. This ring is being rotated with uniform angular velocity omega. They'll ask you find the tension in the ring. We did this partially in one of the concepts. Consider a small element. Tension always pulls.
Pulls T plus
Yes,
dt
sir.
लेके.
Tension always stretches.
सर वो पुली में आपने बोला था रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स में आएगा.
Right. Circular motion से rotation, electrostatics, properties of matter में भी आएगा. We will ask you if the ring is rotated, what is the fraction by which the radius increases? रुमाली रोटी कभी बनते हुए देखा है आपने?
हाँ सर, हाँ
हाँ
सर,
सर, हाँ.
देखा है सर.
The guy will spin it and it will
राणा की
start
मस्ती देखो.
spinning. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
of this size
हाँ, sir.
before it
Yes, sir.
spins. Once you spin, it will start.
Size
Once it is
increases, yes, sir.
rotating, it
yes,
will
sir.
stretch outwards.
Yes, sir.
What is the force which is making it stretch outwards? The tension. The outer part is being pulled. So every small element is being pulled. So it has to stretch outwards.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Element's length is increasing. So the total length will increase. Perimeter increase, matlab it should go outwards. Now here, small element ka diagram, magnified diagram I am drawing here. Observe this. This is d theta by 2 and this is d theta by 2. This is t, this is t. This will be t sine d theta by 2. This will be t sine d theta by 2. T cos d theta, uniform angular velocity. There is no tangential acceleration. So this t and this t are the same.
Yes.
If it had tangential acceleration, one t would be greater than the other.
Sir, we'll have to take plus dt, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Or t1 and t2. Now here t cos d theta by 2 and t cos d theta by 2 will get cancelled out. These both sine d theta by 2 will provide the required centripetal force.
Centripetal force.
Yes, sir. Yes.
To t d theta by 2 lambda r d theta. What is lambda? Mass per unit length. Mass per unit length. This is dm.
Linear
Mass
mass
per
density.
unit length into length of this particular element. This small element is r d theta. Omega square r. T is equal to m omega square r by 2 pi. When a ring or a chain, HCV gave this as a solid example. He says it is a metallic chain rotated with angular velocity omega. Find the tension developed in the chain.
Yes.
It's a very standard question and the standard format. This procedure you should remember. 4 to 5 chapters this will follow. Exactly the same question.
सर रुमाली रोटी बनाने वाले आदमी को इतनी फिजिक्स आती है?
नहीं इसका थोड़ी मतलब है अब जो क्रिकेट खेल रहा है he uses Bernoulli's principle to make
Yes, sir, to
one
swing
side
the
of the
ball.
ball
Swing.
shine.
Oh, yes, sir.
वो थोड़ी फिजिक्स पढ़ता है. That too, of all, Pakistan had once upon a time one of the best sequence of bowlers.
Yes, sir. वसीम अकरम वकारी ने सिमरन.
100% sure they know no physics.
हाँ,
Sir, but the coaches knew, I guess. Sir, I think that the coaches knew. That's why they taught the players those tricks.
Their coach is now the prime minister of that nation. वो nation का क्या हाल है, पता है कि नहीं?
ये क्या बोल रही है?
सर वो साइन डी थीटा बाय 2 कहाँ गया?
हाँ.
Small
एक और
angle.
बताओ मिला.
Small d theta.
Approximate किया.
Sin theta tends to 0 is theta. 5 बार.
Yes, sir. Sin theta tending to 0 is equal to theta. Sin theta tending to 0 is theta. Sin theta tending to theta tending to 0 is theta. Sin theta tending to 0 is theta.
Wonderful.
और सर वो dm वो mr d theta by 2 pi r कैसे बना?
Oh, linear mass density
Mass
into.
per unit length into length of the element. Unitary method. Mass per total mass of the ring divided by the length of the ring.
Okay, sir.
Into length of the small element.
Okay.
सर वो टेंशन इन मास वाला स्ट्रिंग में भी ऐसा ही किया था ना?
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Almost.
उसमें भी linear mass density लिया था.
There we left the answer in terms of lambda.
Sir, this dm is change in mass. No.
Any mass of this small element.
Okay, sir.
dm T sin d theta by 2, T sin d theta by 2 provides the centripetal force for this small element dm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you explain this mr d theta by 2 pi r?
Unitary method, mass per unit length. What is the total mass of the ring? M.
Sir, m.
Length of the ring 2 pi r. What is the length of the small element? RD.
RD.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Done.
Thin rod is rotating with an angular velocity omega. M is the mass of the rod, L is the length of the rod. Find the tension as a function of X. Find tension as a function of X. Find tension in the thin rod as a function of X.
Sir, x क्या है?
X is the distance from here.
Okay, sir.
Thin rod is being made to rotate about this axis.
So the distance between the center of the rod.
L by 2 होगा ना. Length of the rod is L. Distance from the center of the rod till the axis is L by 2. The rod is being made to rotate about one extreme end. Right? If you people remember in Newton's laws, I told you two ways of calculating tension when there is mass for the rod.
Yes, sir.
One way, did I tell you two ways or only one way?
Two ways.
Only one.
One way was splitting it and placing a string of negligible mass.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will work only when the acceleration is constant.
Linear.
Yes, sir.
Here acceleration is not constant. As I'm going out, acceleration is changing.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Can you show me that this procedure fails here? Logic tells you that it fails. Observe this carefully. Suppose I do the same logic here. Dhyan se suniye. I take this as a distance of x, place a string of negligible mass, this is L minus x. And I will tell you tension provides the required centripetal force. I have to tell you that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, as I am going out, the centripetal force is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing because the radius is increasing.
Omega is same, x is increasing, so centripetal
Yes, sir.
acceleration is increasing, but tension is decreasing. But tension is decreasing. Observe that carefully. Tension will be maximum here, tension will be zero here. Ever try to hold a rod and go round?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The hand in which you are holding the vertical rod, there will be lot of tension. Your right hand will be free.
Yes,
So
sir.
as I'm going outwards, tension is decreasing. As I'm going outwards, tension is decreasing, but centripetal force is
Increasing.
So you tell me tension provides the centripetal force will be a blunder. Then what provides the centripetal force here? Observe carefully. Consider a small element dx at a distance of x. T plus dt t. Every time tension stretches an element, both sides it will be acting outwards. You are taking this as t plus dt, right?
Yes, sir.
This is t. Why? It has
Tension will
inward
decrease.
acceleration.
That's closer. So
Centripetal acceleration. So this tension will be greater than this tension. Are you trying to tell me dt provides the required centripetal force? Provides the required centripetal force. You're right. क्या बोल रहे हो? Your tension doesn't provide the centripetal force, but dt provides the centripetal force. Yes. Tension doesn't provide. dt provides the centripetal force. Are you trying to tell me as I'm going to the right, the centripetal force increases, dt also increases? You're right. Observe this. I'll take a numerical example to make you visualize this. Here I will have a tension of say 6 Newton. Here I will have a tension of 5 Newton. At the extreme end, I will have a tension of 3 Newton and 0. Tension as I am going to the right is decreasing. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
dt is
Increasing.
here dt is how much? 1 Newton. Here
Right.
dt is how much?
3 Newton.
Continue.
dt is increasing, but tension is decreasing. I took a numerical example to explain. I'll prove it.
Yes, sir.
As I'm going to the right, tension is decreasing, but dt is increasing.
Increasing.
Yes.
It is like telling you as I'm moving in this direction, velocity is decreasing, but rate of change of velocity is increasing. Possible?
Yes.
Rate of change of velocity will be acceleration.
Yes.
Yes.
Now have a look at my equation. dt provides the required centripetal force m omega square x. Technically t plus dt minus t. This minus this provides the centripetal force for this element.
Yes, sir.
dm is mass per unit length into length of the element. Unitary method. Omega square x. I should put a negative sign in front of it. Why?
Decrease.
dt by dx is negative. Why is dt by dx negative? T is a decreasing function of x.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
dt is minus m omega square by L integral x dx. Now select your limits. You have a choice. You want to take tension here or here?
Sir,
Sir,
the
Zero.
first
Out-
point,
outside.
0.
Outside, sir.
No, sir, inside.
You can do both. You will get the same answer. Suppose I take x equal to L. Tension there is 0 because there is
Yes, sir.
nothing else to be pulled.
Yes.
At x, find out tension. Somebody will tell me मुझे ये limits नहीं use करना है यार. Integral dt is
Yes.
minus m omega square by L. At x equal to 0, I want to take the tension. At x equal to 0, tension will be
M omega
what?
square.
M omega square L by 2.
Yes.
M omega square L by 2 at x equal to x, find out the tension. Don't forget the negative sign. Because here, this provides the centripetal force for whole of that.
Yes, sir.
I would suggest keep this in abeyance temporarily. First to solve for this.
Yes.
Can you explain the negative sign again?
dt by dx is negative. As x increases, tension decreases. dt by dx is negative. Decreasing function. As x increases, here tension will become 0. Tension is decreasing. So dt by dx will be negative.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Hence, to get the tension here, you have to integrate it. Acceleration is not constant. In the previous case in Newton's laws, I used to tell you split and place a string of negligible mass. There I could do it because acceleration was constant. Here
Yes.
acceleration is not constant. You can clearly see when you split it, you tell me tension provides the centripetal force, statement will be wrong. Because as I'm going to the right, tension is decreasing. Centripetal force is increasing. What provides the centripetal force? dt provides the centripetal force and not T. Tomorrow we have a class, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have two more problems from Morin to be discussed. It will take 15 minutes, 20 minutes per problem for you to solve. It's slightly lengthy. So I'm in no hurry to finish it off today. We will finish this tomorrow. Homework,
Okay, sir. No problem.
TV as well as booklet.
Complete.
Sir, empty. Sir, empty.
HCV, we've done.
Booklet भी बहुत
Sir,
छोटा है.
booklet
एक
has
minute,
work
एक
power
minute,
energy
एक minute.
also, no?
Yes.
No, no. Work power energy we didn't. We just defined work. Circular motion खत्म कर. Circular motion बहुत छोटा है. Booklet देख लो.
Questions mixed.
Yes, sir. 7 questions in exercise.
Separate
Yeah.
sections.
In circular motion, there are
Now
some
listen,
and for
people
work
who
energy.
are trying to see work power energy, you are going wrong. Circular motion का अलग से exercise दिया हुआ है. बहुत ही छोटा exercise है. It is
Okay,
very
sir.
small.
Yes.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dasara discount. Somebody
Sir,
wants to
will you be
work
discussing
Yes, sir.
that
Dasara
tomorrow?
discount.
No. Tomorrow I'll give you time to solve. Don't be in a hurry.
Yes.
Finish it. Monday's class I'll discuss.
Sir, but
Sir,
there are
can
five
you
exercises
repeat
for
the
the-
homework
till
once
which we
again?
have to do. Till which exercise we have to do. There are 5.
All 5.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Array, sir.
So will you be discussing that laws
Sir,
of
empty. Doesn't exist.
Sir, empty array.
Tomorrow, if I discuss, I am okay with it, but you people will not be able to complete it by
Yes,
tomorrow.
sir.
So take
Monday,
your
Monday.
own time. I am in no hurry. Monday or Tuesday's class, we'll discuss it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, empty
Yes.
array, sir.
Sir, I have
Sir,
a
happy with the
doubt.
Dashmi.
That was
इतनी
fun
सारी
for
question
the
भी नहीं है.
Sir, happy
Sir,
Dashera.
Sir, I have a
Sir,
doubt
HCV
regarding
also.
angular.
One at a time, please. Happy Dasra किसी ने बोला ही thank you, same to you. हाँ.
Sir, have you received the PDF for the booklet of circular motion?
I didn't. Today afternoon, I'm going to Andheri office. I'll ask them to send one PDF copy. I'll send it to you.
Okay,
Sir,
sir,
module
thank
तो
you.
मिल गया है ना?
हाँ, मॉड्यूल में है.
Sir, module 2.
सर्कुलर मोशन मॉड्यूल तो में है. अलग से चैप्टर है.
Sir, the
Sir,
chapter.
circular
Module
motion.
2 में ही है. Module 2 में ही है.
हाँ सर, हार्ड कॉपी मिल गया उसका.
Sir, हमें hard
हाँ
copy
सर, हार्ड कॉपी बहुत सारे मिल गई.
Also, the laws of motion assignment you sent for revision. So should we discuss that in the doubt class or so
Yes,
will we
sir.
discuss it?
So tomorrow we can discuss.
Tomorrow we can discuss that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And sir, I have a general doubt regarding angular displacement. Sir, I saw that it is axial to the circular motion. So I didn't understand the meaning of it.
These are called pseudo vectors. Angular velocity, angular acceleration, angular momentum. Effect will be in one plane. Official direction will be in perpendicular. Effect will be in one plane. Body rotating this way. Official direction of omega will be perpendicular.
Sir, I
Right.
didn't understand the meaning of it. Why it isn't like that?
I'll explain that slightly at a later stage when I define torque. Torque, angular momentum, all this will come. Or tomorrow's class itself I'll explain.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Bye sir, thank you. Happy
See you
Dashera.
people in
We need to
tomorrow's
complete the
Thank you, sir.
remaining
Thank you, sir.
HCV also.
Happy Dashera.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you.